Okay, let's start with what we know. We certainly know this over here. I'm going to use the letter u, by the way, that this would equal 1 plus u squared plus, you get the idea. With the understand that u, or the absolute value of it, is less than 1. All right? And what I want to do is I want to write down, I wonder what this would look like. And I got to write to look like what's above it. It's going to be 1 minus x to the 5th power. Let's plug it in. What do you get? 1 minus x5. I'm just plugging it up here, by the way. Then what are you going to get? Plus, well, 5 times 2 is 10. Then you get minus x to the 15. And I think you get the idea. All right? On and on and on. You get that. All right? Now, someone says, why'd you do that? I'm looking at an integration that doesn't look easy. All right? And what integration I'm looking at, I'll write it down for you. We're looking to integrate this over here. And really what am I integrating? I'm integrating this thing over here. But there will be some constant. Right? It's an indefinite integral. Now what do you do over here? Integrate term by term. Let's do that, one term at a time. Integrate the first term, you get x. Then what do you get? Minus x to the 6 over 6. Then what do you get? Plus x to the 11 over 11. Then what do you get? Minus x16 over 16 plus yada, yada, yada. All right? All right, let's keep going. Let's keep writing it. C plus a sum. I'm going to write it as a fraction. I'll write that as a 1. And before I say anything, I want to point out that I'm starting somewhere and going somewhere. So n equals something. All right, let's take a look at it. 1, 6, that's up by 5. 6 to 11 is up by 5. 11 to 16 is up by 5. So there's something to do with, 5n. And I'm going to put down, I want the first one to be 1. So I'm going to put 5n plus 1 here. And then make this 0. All right. What goes here? N plus 1. And let's see, if, again, I'm not saying the alternating part. Let's see if the feel for the, the an, so to speak, not the alternating part of it. So, start at 0, you get x, and then, not n plus 1, it's 5n plus 1. Am I getting it? Yeah, at 0 you get 1. At 1 you get 6. 2 you get 11. 3 you get 16. Let's do the alternating part. Minus 1. Oh, this goes off to infinity. And let's see, just n. All right, now, so it's find the expansion of it. We did. This is an expansion of it. We got that part. And let's see what they got. All right. And I noticed that they just wrote down, maybe they get this over here. Let's put what they have over here. See if they got the same thing. I do have the C. N equals 0 to infinity. I have that part. Minus 1 to have that. Yeah, everything's looking looking good. All right. I wanted to see if they said anything else about it. Finally, but I noticed I did a little extra work over here, and I don't think you really need to do it. The interval's really kind of given to us from the beginning. It's geometric. All right. Thank you.